Hi, and thanks again for watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries. Now, if you're sitting here watching this video because you're thinking about doing this business and you're wondering that past clip, that truck holding the dumpster and the trailer with the additional dumpsters, this is exactly why we're in business. We're not just a company out here selling trucks, claiming to be the world's largest manufacturer. We are a company who actually have gone out over the past 4 years, learn the logistic of trash maintenance, truly get out there and develop our systems based off what the need is for this industry. Now, with that being said, let's talk about this platform. This is our hybrid 2-in-1 EcoWash system. It allows you to wash dumpsters and residential barrels all in the same system. Now, when it comes down to the chassis itself, this is a gas motor chassis. This is a 14,500 pound gross vehicle weight chassis, fully loaded with water, 2 adults in the cab. We're still 200 pounds shy of gross vehicle weight. Now, you might hear out there diesel versus gas, and no, you need a diesel to lift these dumpsters. Guys, we're not lifting dumpsters full of trash and driving them all over town. This is a stationary job. So don't be misled to think you need a diesel truck. However, we'll build on any diesel truck. It is your preference in your truck ultimately at the end of the day. I just don't recommend spending the extra $9,000 to $11,000 on the chassis if it's not necessary. We've done our due diligence for you, making sure these are built to code and spec, making sure they're safe out on the road, working very closely with Isuzu Manufacturing and Courtesy Chevrolet here, who is a dealership, has been around for over 50 years, very credible company. We also did a YouTube video with CJ Lewis, the sales manager there at Courtesy, which gives his opinion also on diesel versus gas. Go check out that link, find that video and get some good perspective from a dealer who actually sells the trucks. Now, here's another important feature on our truck. You're probably recognizing the different height positioning of these heads. Our spin head assembly is custom designed to extend out another 2 feet on each head in order to maintain these bigger dumpsters. When it comes down to washing 8 cubic yard dumpster and it's much deeper, it's important to get down into that dumpster as much as you can to hit the bottom. It doesn't matter how hot your water is getting. If you can't touch the bottom of that dumpster, you might just dissatisfy the client. And as you see here, the 90-degree motion, allowing these heads to hit different angles in that dumpster is very key as well to making sure you're doing an efficient job. Hybrids are running off of 8 gallon per minute, 3,500 PSI, hot water skid, and these trucks can do up to 30 dumpsters a day. You're working with EWI, you're working with a company who's already gone out and has proven the concept, helped develop the dumpster maintenance service. Over the past 4 years, we've become the leaders in this industry, not just because we build the most efficient truck, but because we've gone out, build relationships with individuals in the trash business, learn trash logistic, and now we pass that on to our clients. Work with us, we guarantee you the best value with our Kickstarter package, guaranteeing you the best value to help you start your business. And with all the rebates we're offering you right now, we can save you up to $30,000 from what our nearest competitor is offering currently today. Give us a call anytime, 480-789-0931, or visit ecowashindustries.com. Again, this is Greg Aganowski. Make it a great day.